Hello and welcome. As the day moves towards its close, the body often continues at the pace it has been carrying. This practice supports a gradual shift, allowing activity to soften and ease to return. The breath serves as a bridge here, a smooth transition between effort and rest, between the demands of the day and the quieter rhythm of the evening. Across many traditions of yoga and meditation, the breath serves as a direct pathway into the nervous system. Gentle attention to the breath allows the body to reorganize itself naturally. Breathing through the left nostril has long been associated with a calming, settling effect. This practice uses that natural relationship to support ease and balance. Let's get started. Sit or lie down in a position that feels comfortable and supported. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow tension to ease from your arms. Take a slow, deep breath in and a gentle breath out. Bring your dominant hand towards your face and use your thumb or index finger to gently close your right nostril. And now, begin breathing slowly and comfortably through your left nostril. Allow your breath to find its own rhythm, smooth and unforced. As you inhale, notice the sensation of breath entering your body. And as you exhale, feel the pace of the day gently releasing from your shoulders, your chest, and your legs. Remain here for a few minutes, allowing your system to recognize and integrate the shift. Your body will respond at its own pace. As thoughts appear, gently return your attention to the breath. Allow your thoughts to move through easily while the breath continues its steady flow. When you feel ready, lower your hand comfortably and breathe naturally through both nostrils. Notice the quality of your body and breath. Sense the quieter rhythm that's present. Bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your weight where you're sitting or lying. Let the day complete itself. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and move into the rest of your evening carrying this steadiness with you.